Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can set up Cash App Direct Deposit, so let's get right into it. Now, I will be explaining to you guys through the support article because I don't have Cash App available in my region, so I can't really access any of their services. However, this guide is very well made, so I'll be going through this and explaining to you guys the steps to set up the direct deposit. Now, to set up direct deposit and start receiving your paychecks with Cash App, you need to do a couple of simple steps, and keep in mind that you can receive up to $25,000 per direct deposit and up to $50,000 within a 24-hour period, and that should be it. Now, for a sponsored account, direct deposit limits, you can check out the other limits for sponsored accounts on the official data or on the official information page for it. But to log into your employer or payroll provider directly from the Money tab, to set everything up, you just need to tap the Money tab on the home screen, then select Direct Deposit, and under Automatic Setup, tap Get Started and search for your employer, and then follow the prompts. Now, you just need to be making sure that you're entering the username and password for your employer or payroll provider when you're prompted, and if you're having trouble logging in or don't see the employer in the option, you can set up direct deposits using a different method. You can copy your Cash App account and routing numbers and enter them directly into your employer, payroll provider, or unemployment website if you use it. And to copy the routing and account numbers, you just need to tap the Money tab from the home screen, select Direct Deposit, and use the boxes next to the routing and account numbers to copy and then paste them. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.